This is the worst condition of the road in Chokanahalli, Bangalore, in like that is Tanisandra main road. Always we suffer here, like while coming and driving on this road, like many years, like we are seeing that this same condition. So BBMP authorities has to they have to take the action or something like that. The solution this road to how the vehicles are in the running condition of the water and the drainage water. This is not a pure water also. All drainage water, drainage fault. Always it is happening like this. The worst condition in the road. If any kind of small mistakes happen in the driving, like a person will be falling down in this. This is the condition of this. Overflowing of this drainage water, and this road is, people are suffering, we are suffering. If I go further also it is there till end. So we are requesting to the authorities to visit this place and do the needful. Thank you.